this movie promises to be amazing. What are we expecting tonight, girl?
We are expecting a night of fun, a night of glamour, a night of culture, a night of cinematic brilliance.
I love the actual producer of the movie, Blacksmith, Jaiye Kuti. It's one I love so much. So I know her very well. I know her capacity. So that's the reason I'm here to really enjoy myself and watch the movie.
All right, so our audiences are back from the cinema from watching Blacksmith Alagbede, and they're here with me. I'm here to get you guys some reviews because you missed it. But you know, our audience are going to do justice to it. So tell me, what was it like?
The movie was very nice. The cinematography was top notch.
My favorite part is where they went to make this ritual on the Babalawo side. That was my best part.
Comic Corner, that's actually your favorite part.
Exactly.
You should be a comedy girly.
I know, right?
Okay, so it was the review at the end that they said they didn't really do the rituals for him here. So I didn't see that coming because I'm sure he didn't expect it. It was just his money, really. So yeah, I didn't see that coming.
Blacksmith Alagbede. Blacksmith Alagbede. Blacksmith Alagbede.
Blacksmith!
Alagbede.
Blacksmith! Blacksmith Alagbede!
Blacksmith Alagbede.
Blacksmith Alagbede!